நாடாளுமன்ற மழைக்கால கூட்டத்தொடரில் மாநிலங்களவை 7வது நாளாக நடைபெற்று வருகிறது. பரபரப்பான அந்த வேளாண்மை திருத்த சட்டம் 3 மசோதாக்கள் தாக்கலாகி இருக்கிறது. இதில் திமுக உறுப்பினர் திரு டி.கே. இளங்கோவன் இந்த மசோதா தொடர்பாக பேசினார். என்ன பேசினார் அப்படின்றத பார்க்கலாம்.
To provide for a creation of an ecosystem where the farmers and traders enjoy the freedom of choice relating to sale and purchase of farmers' products. Sir, when I buy this pen, I did not sit with the manufacturer of this pen and discuss about the pricing. I had to purchase this pen on the cost fixed by the manufacturer, producer. Whereas here, the farmers are left to discuss with the trader and fix the price. This is, I don't know why the farmers are put into such trouble. This is an insult to farmers. This bill itself is an insult to farmers. Secondly, the bill seeks to repeal the ordinance in this regard. This bill also seeks to repeal the promise made by this government to follow M.S. Swaminathan committee report in toto. Both the things, this bill is not at all a necessity. This government has no right to bring this bill, this subject being a state subject. There are simple things, sir. In Tamil Nadu, we had a farmers market when DMK was in power. Simple thing. Farmers bring their products there. Buyers come there. There will be a government agent who will fix the rate and the sale goes smoothly. Now here, they say that the freedom of where the farmers and traders enjoy the freedom of choice. Now the farmers are agitating, traders are enjoying. When both should enjoy the freedom of choice, you have left the farmers to agitate. They are on the streets. They have called for an agitation, which means they are not enjoying. When they are not enjoying, why this bill? Throw this bill out. This bill has no say in this country because this bill affects the interest of the farmers. Sir, I don't want to take much time because I have my colleague also to speak on the subject. I can only close my speech by telling that this bill will not for the sale of farm products, but this bill will ultimately use for the sale of farmers themselves as slaves to the big industrial houses. Otherwise, this bill has no other thing. You are putting all farmers as slaves, like what had happened in the USA when the people from Africa came, and still they are being treated as slaves. The country, the farmers who contribute at least 20% to the total GDP of this country will be made as slaves by this bill. This bill will not help farmers. Ultimate result will be this bill is going to affect farmers and to kill them and make them a commodity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.